So I'm going to explain the signs we have in Sweden for parking, so it gets easy. So this is a parking sign. It means you can stand for 24 hours from Monday until Friday, and if you come on Friday you can stay until Monday midnight. This peace sign, if it stands alone. If it stands with this one, it just means it's both class 1 and class 2. It means an ordinary car and an RV. You can stand here. Class 1, when it says class 1, it's only for a regular car, not an RV. And if you have class 2, it's only for RVs. So if you have an extra sign for the class, that's what it is. If it's not a sign for any class, it's for both. It doesn't have to be an RV on the sign. There are RVs on signs, but they are not so often. This does not mean it's only for this kind of car, right? We go on. Here we have the P sign, and it says here it says avgift. Avgift means fee, and here you have avgift in the sign and the times. This is not the same, these two. When avgift stands alone like this, it means that this is for 24 hours. When it's in this together with the times, it means that it's a fee between these hours, and you're only allowed to stand for 4 hours. But it is a fee between all these times, and the other times it's not a fee. But here it will be a fee all times, even when let's see, if it's 19 o'clock, it will still be a fee. And if we look at this one, this means that you're allowed to stand 4 hours, and this is for all hours, all days, all week. And if you go up here, you can see it's 4 hours between these hours. And if you go over here, you're allowed to stand 4 hours between these hours. The difference between these two is that the fee is not all hours here, but here it's all hours. You have to recognize when it's standing alone or when it's inside of the sign. Inside of the sign, it is only this you should look at. When it's outside like this is for all hours, and this has just to do about how long time you're allowed to stand between these hours. If you look at these signs, they are alone. It means that it's all hours, all days. So here you can stand 4 hours a day. 24 hours, you mean you can stand for 24 hours. And here you can stand 2 dygn, that means 2 days. This sign alone as I told you before, means that you can stand for 24 hours, Monday until Friday, and if you come on Friday you can stand until Monday midnight. So when you have one of these under, this sign doesn't apply. It is this sign that you have to go after. So if we look down here, you see a parking sign, and you see the car, and it's not like this. So this is for all cars, and it's 4 hours maximum, all day long, all week long. It's only for 4 hours in a row. And it's a fee all hours all week. If we look at this one, is this car, and it says class 1. Class 1 means a regular car. It's maximum 8 places and the driver over that. That means class 1. And that means that you can't stand here with an RV, and you can stand here between these hours. You can stand maximum 4 hours. Other hours than these, you can stand for 24 hours, like this peace sign means. You can stand from 13 o'clock on Saturday until Monday at 1 o'clock. So you have to look like that. But not if you have an RV. So here it's the same like that, but here it's only for RVs. And here we see this one means only for RVs, and you are only allowed to stand for 4 hours all day, all week. I hope this got a little bit clearer how you should read the signs.